So the ICC Champions Trophy is being played over on the subcontinent as we speak, embarrassingly, minus the West Indies, who did not qualify for the event. Just looking at the cricket though, not very exciting, not overly intriguing, not setting the world alight. The crowds are not overwhelming. And it drives me towards this ongoing debate about the future of Test cricket. I think it's the future of ODI cricket that is in doubt even more than the future of Test cricket. For sure, the shorter formats, T20, now even T10, maybe soon to be T5. These shorter, more compact, more exciting, more marketable, more lucrative formats will continue to dominate the space. And as the short format fiesta continues to proliferate, something will have to give. And all things considered, it's looking more and more like 50 over cricket and not Test cricket that will become the sacrificial lamb, at least for the time being.